Unpacking, pet peeve, understanding common English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the phrase, pet peeve. If you've ever been curious about what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. So, let's start with the basics. The phrase, pet peeve, is a noun, and it's used to describe a particular thing that annoys or bothers a person more than other things. Everyone has different pet peeves, and they can be as unique as our personalities. Examples: for some, a major pet peeve might be loud chewing sounds. Others might find being interrupted while speaking to be their biggest pet peeve. To better understand this phrase, let's break it down. Pet, in this context, doesn't mean an animal companion like a cat or a dog. Here, it's used to describe something that is favored or particularly cherished, albeit in a somewhat ironic or humorous way. Peeve is derived from the word peevish, meaning irritable or easily annoyed. So, a pet peeve is essentially a particular annoyance that is especially irritating to you, even if it might not bother other people as much. Now that we know what pet peeve means, let's see how to use it in sentences. My biggest pet peeve is when people talk during movies. She told me that her pet peeve is when someone is constantly late. Notice how the phrase can easily be integrated into sentences to talk about personal irritations. And that's a wrap on pet peeve. I hope this video has helped clarify what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, everyone has their own pet peeves, and that's perfectly normal. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, happy learning, and take care.